Step 1 is to select the cells that are going to have the list. So I've selected these cells in B2 to B20. Next step is I'm going to create a list of all of the items that are going to be in my list. So I'll put them either somewhere on this spreadsheet, or you could create another spreadsheet and place it on that spreadsheet. So once you have a location where your list is at, what you can do, select the range of cells, then go over to Data Validation. In the Settings tab, you have the Settings tab, the Input Message tab, and the Error Alert tab. In the Settings tab, select List from the drop-down. Then you have to select the source where it's at. Well, the source of my list, again, it can be either on the same spreadsheet or in a different spreadsheet. So I'm going to use the one in the different spreadsheet. There's the source. And then click OK. Notice it's on the different worksheet called Expense Category. I click OK. Now it creates that drop-down list in each one of those cells. Okay. Well, let's say I wanted to now have a message telling what to input into this cell. What I could do is edit this by clicking on Data Validation and then going to Input Message, give it a title. For this one I'll just say Category, and then I'll put in please select from drop down list. That's the message I want to appear. Notice now in each, to get this into each category that I've edited, I can just roll them down, and now each category will have that note on it. Drop down list, message. Now what happens if someone inputs something incorrectly? I could also create what's called an error message. So first thing to do is select all of the items that are going to be edited, click Data Validation, and go to Error Alert. If you want them to not be able to enter anything at all, if they create the error, just select Stop. If you want to give them a warning message, you put the warning message in, and you can be an informational message as well. So let's go ahead and put a stop message in, and we'll call it error, and then put in please select from drop down list only, and then click OK. Now if I put in something not on the list, there's the error message. Please select from the drop-down list only. Cancel. Now I can select from the drop-down list only. So let's see if it works. I'm going to put in a date. And then drop down from a category. Please select from drop-down list only. So rent, description, and the amount. Alright, there you go. So that's how you create a drop-down list. In this episode, I showed you how to create a drop-down list into a cell for expense report. Thanks for watching.